Alright, what's going on, y'all? I know it's been a minute. But got some more content. So this right here is an HP. Actually, I don't even know the model name. Let me get it real quick. HP Spectra X360 convertible PC13. Exact model is 13-410DX. I got this in a lot, and it had no screen. The M.2 was removed, and I tested the charging port first, and it was reading regular, about 20 volts from 20 volt charger, like 19.98. So that was cool. And then I looked around, took the motherboard out, looked around the board, and I found out that right here, I just like kind of accidentally saw it for real. But right here is 2 brand capacitors, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them off to see if the board turns on. I'm gonna show what it reads before I do. Fuck. I'll show what it reads in a second. Actually, I didn't even test for voltage yet with those capacitors. I know it's gonna read 0. And DC. I'll get some more light if I angle it like that. Oh shit. Yep. You know I fuck with that. But I might just fuck some shit up more. But let's get to removing this shit. Then we're gonna do like 380 degrees on the heat. I sleep well, so I always pack like my hot air down in my sleep. My phone is 20%, so this video ends abruptly. I'm still gonna upload. My baby got me right. I'm not even gonna use no flux in there, I'm just kind of straight. Clean it up, take it off. Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. I haven't recorded in so long. I got this big ass tripod in my area, so I kind of gotta move cautious. I got these cords entwined, so shit keep falling, but slow this shit. Slow this shit up. No fucking this shit up. Until it's a fucking issue. Alright. Preheat the board up a little bit. Let me show y'all close with the what the damage looks like. If I could show y'all better. Oh, the light's not going over there. Okay. Yeah, right here. I'll try to zoom in on the camera. Tripod and shit. But right here you see it's burnt capacitor. It's 2 burnt capacitors I see. Like very loud and clear. I don't know if I can see it from that far away. Just gonna preview the board real quick. Multimeter. It's like it's fucking. Oh, it's stuck to the board. It's like burnt onto the board. Alright. I wanna. Yeah, I think the pads is corroded probably. Yeah, the pads is definitely corroded. Let's see what happens. Oh, mind you, I was getting no like charging LED light indicator or whatever. So before I actually do that, let me see what I look like under my microscope so I can observe it up close. So I don't wanna just fuck myself over and somewhere against school and something's probably gonna get shorted as soon as I put power into it. You know what I mean? Everything looks it looks turn onable. I'm getting no LEDs. Yeah, no power LED. Let's see if the power's on now. Everything was stuck at like 0.85 volts. Let me push the power button, see what happens. No LED. I might have shorted some more shit when I try to test the bad cat. Let's see what the voltage is doing. Point 0.05, that's way less than I was before. 10. Rising slowly. Let's see what happens when I press the power button. I have to replace the cap because I just remove it. Yeah, these capacitors are important. mean, the pads aren't really. I'm lying like a bitch. This shit's horrible. I know my limits. I really can't replace rip pads. So if the pads are ripped, I'm just gonna throw it in a parts pile or sell it for parts. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and all that. More videos coming soon enough. I got a PS4 HDMI port for sure. And then after that, it's gonna be like a lot of miscellaneous stuff I gotta do. I'm gonna put on video just to, you know, make some good content. This right here is something that's interesting that I was doing, so I'll just put it on video. But I don't have any plans for y'all for the next couple weeks or anything. I got some stuff going on, so shit. That's that. I gotta do it definitely make some content. So just thank you for watching. That's it.